If you're experiencing an installation loop while trying to install PUBG, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and successfully complete the installation. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for PUBG. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available disk space. If your system does not meet these requirements, the installation may fail. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, as they may interfere with the installation process. After disabling them, try to install the game again. Remember to re-enable them once the installation is complete. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your system's temporary files to eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the loop. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Restart your computer afterward. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files feature. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, which can resolve installation issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall PUBG completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from the official source. This can often resolve persistent installation problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and enjoy playing PUBG. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.